Okay, so I am just touching up. I did get caught in a little bit of rain on the way back. And I have the Rhode liner peptide lip shape here. And I feel like I've been going through so much of this, and I feel like my lips have actually never been better. So I think I'm gonna keep using this. I was like, well, what are peptides? But I think I like them. Alrighty. Now I'm going to do my makeup, and I've got some things to show you. Okay, then my next step is this Beauty of Joseon Daily Tinted Fluid Sunscreen. I've been using this for a while now, and I do like it. It's just got a nice tint to it, and your girl needs to wear sunscreen every single day or else I burn. And then the fact that I have to walk in Waikiki for like more than 5 minutes, I know that I need sunscreen on my face or else I'm gonna really burn. I just washed my face, and then I'm gonna use this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide dewdrops. Here they are. Alrighty, so I kind of like this. It's just like a nice moisture barrier. Oh, it feels good. Okay. And I got this in like a Glow Recipe like gift set, which came with like all their products basically. And okay, I'm so excited to show you guys this new product that I got. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for this, so I'm so excited. Finally, I get to try Olivia Jade's new O.Piccola. But here I'm trying Olivia Jade's newest new brand, O.Piccola. It's so pretty. I love the packaging, and I love the turning thing as well. So this is the bronzer, and I feel like I need more bronzer. I am used to using like more of a liquid contour cheek, and I did see that she kind of swipes it on, and it's pretty she goes on with it quite a good amount, so I might kind of do it how I see her doing it a lot of times, and I feel like that looks much more full. And I did put some glow serum and sunscreen on as well before this. Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. Seriously. And then I did put some kind of around here, and I saw her do that kind of contour all over. I'm just loving it. I need to take a photo. Plus I felt like I didn't really have enough on. I don't know if I need to put a little more on this side maybe, but it's so pretty. I'm obsessed. And it's also like skincare too, so it's really great. And for people like me who are outside a lot, who are like, you know, just can't wear a lot of makeup because it's like not the vibe, I'm really happy about this. So next is my Glossier Holy Brow in black, which I have been using for like 10 years and is just always such a go-to. One of my faves. And I usually take, I don't know if I brought, oh yeah, here it is, my clear gel, and I just go over it and make sure it looks exactly how I want to. And I've done Get Ready With Me's with this method before on my brows, so you can also check those out. And I got this new Giorgio Armani eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow, which is like really light, but I do like it for the inside of my eye. and kind of like the top area, so you can just kind of spread it around, which is nice. But and then I have this Sephora 12-hour colorful shadow stick and liner, which I've been loving. And so I'll kind of do a darker area here. Sometimes I just line my whole lid with this because it's like really easy to use actually. And I've got my mascara. I honestly got this Japanese mascara from Marukai, and I'm pretty sure it's like a drugstore mascara, but it's actually really good. It's great for like all day because it's not super smudgy. I feel like if there's one thing you remember to put on, it's lipstick. Like sometimes I'll just wear lip gloss too, even if I don't have anything on. I remember that someone in law school commented. And also, shout out to my bestie Taylor Ann. I'm still using the makeup bag from your bachelorette or from your wedding. Right, I've been obsessed with these lately, so I'm gonna just use them. The Rhode Peptide Lip products. I feel like my lips are like much less chapped all the time. So, but I've noticed that my lip health since starting Rhode products has been like way better. This is the Glossier You, which is one of my faves, and it's one of their new fragrances. They kind of got into fragrances last year. I've tried all but one. I have one left to try that I just got actually, and I love it. It smells different on everyone because it, like, you know, reacts with your natural scent, and then it changes over the course of the day, which is really nice too. So that one is frankincense and myrrh. And I also want to show you the hair and body mist that I'm using, which is from Maine, the C-Suite. This smells so good. And if you like Way by Jen Atkin, she's from Kauai, I believe, but this smells so good and I use so much of it. So before we go, I just wanted to do a little show you of my final makeup look. Okay, I'm wearing the Pawn Shop hat. It's so cute. I love the Arvo Pawn Shop Japanese design. It looks good with my contour or bronzer. Then I'm wearing the Pawn Shop shirt. I'm bringing it together with the pink and green. Oh wait, green. Anyway, I'm kind of in a rainbow fun vibe today. Alright, finally ready. Gonna hit the road. Thank you so much for tuning in. Loving the O.Piccola and Rhode products that I've been using lately.